Today we are going to learn 8th standard numbers example 1.25. Find the least number by which 250 is to be multiplied or divided. We should find the least number. It should be either multiplied or divided so that the resulting number is a perfect square. So that your answer should be a perfect square. Resulting number. Also find the square root in that case. You have to find the square root in that case. So we have to find the square root of 50, 250. So 250 can be written as we'll do by fifth table now. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 250 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. Here 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. Remaining we have 5 into 2. Here the prime factor 5 and 2 do not have pairs. Here already this 5 square, this 5 have pair, but this 5 and 2 does not have pair. So what to do? We can either divide 250 by 10. So totally how many numbers? 5 and 2. 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. We can divide 250 by 10 or multiply 250 by 10. You divide 250 by 10, you will get the resulting answer. If you multiply even by 10, you will get this answer. Now we'll multiply. If we multiply 250 by 10, we get 250 into 10 gives you 2500. So 2500 by the prime factorization. Again by 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. Again by fifth table, 1 5s are 5, balance 1, 5 2s are 10, balance 2, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 4 5s and we have 2 2s. So 5 into 5 we have pair, 5 5, 2 2 we have pairs. So 5 square into 5 square into 2 square. Square root get cancels. Square root get cancels. Therefore remaining is 5 into 5 into 2. So 5 5s are 25. 25 2s are 50 is your answer. When you multiply 50 2 times, your answer will be 2500. Therefore the square root of 2500 is 50. That is when you multiply 250 by 10. When you divide, if we divide 250 by 10, we get 250 divided by 10. 0 0 get cancels, 25. Root 25 can be written as 5 5s are. That is 5 square. Square and root get cancelled. Answer is 5. The next is example 1.26. Is 108 a perfect square number? We have to find whether 108 is a perfect square. By 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Once again by 2, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 7. By 3, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 have pair, 3 have pair, and here a single number 3 does not have a pair. The prime factor 3 does not have a pair. Therefore 108 is not a perfect square. If you have pair, we can write the square root of that number. If the prime factor does not have a pair, it will not be a perfect square number. Since 3 does not have a pair, 108 is not a perfect square number. Thank you, children. Any doubt? Please comment.